This was a triumph. I'm making a note here, huge success. It's hard to overstate my satisfaction.
I've been sharing my life online for over 15 years. I've poured my heart out to you, because of that I feel like I'm talking to my friends. But at the beginning of my career, I didn't really understand that maybe there should be some boundaries there. Your perfect past stabbed me repeatedly in my belief that facts don't help. You're like toxic gossip trains, the locomotives fueled with hateful accusations. The toxic gossip train, steamroll over someone's reputation. Toxic gossip train, hop on board but close your eyes, otherwise you'll die sad. The person you despise while you traumatize their lives and monetize their demise.
And do every piece
Have a hatred for jokes or taste, yes. Perfect past stabbed me.
I'm so happy for you.
I'm sure you're disappointed in my shitty little song. I know you wanted me to say that I was 100% in the wrong. Well, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna take that route of admitting to lies and rumors that you made up about.
Maybe let me go, still alive.
Add some lies to it, told me lies, and stab it with a knife.
Go ahead and leave.
Realize it was my responsibility to decide what was appropriate for every kid to see. I've always relied on parents to decide if they're comfortable with their families watching my YouTube videos or coming to my live shows.
Maybe let me
That's all
say.